All right, guys, so today I'm going to be replacing the ESIM on my 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. This is the Dorman part here. Basically, as part of the EVAP system, I've got a small EVAP leak. It's like P0456, so check engine lights on. So going to replace this. This little module is located at the rear driver's side. I got the vehicle jacked up enough to make a little bit of room here. But basically what I'm going to do is take off the fender liner because this module is right back in here. What you're going to do is take the 10mm bolt off right there and then pop 2, 3 of those little plastic tabby doo-doos. I got a tool like this which helps. These are riveted, so we don't really want to touch those. We're going to try to get to it with just taking off those. That way we can put those back. Otherwise, with these, you need like a special tool. So just one 10mm and then 1, 2 of the plastic tabs. There it is. And be careful, it's dusty as hell in here. So, but we're going to disconnect this connector. Disconnect the hose right here. So disconnect connector, disconnect hose. And there's a tab on this back side that you got to push in, and then you'll be able to rotate this thing and pull it out. What I did was I sprayed it down a little bit just to kind of clean it off before I take everything off, just so that I don't get all that road grime and dust and stuff in the system. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like once you get everything done. Got the tab or the connector out, pulled this hose off, and then on this here, so it sits in there like this, This is where the hose goes, and you can see where the connector goes. On the bottom of where it's sitting in, right here, you just have to push that in and then turn it counterclockwise, and it pops out. Once you get it out, guys, you'll have to pull the old gasket out, which sits in right there. Dorman provided a new one, but it honestly does not look like the old one. The old one's got like little grooves. This one does not. So I'm hoping this still works. News, it sits in there just fine. So I'm gonna put the new ESIM in now. Real quick, I wanna show you why I think that this is definitely the issue. So I'm shaking this, you don't hear anything, and look in there, you don't see anything. Look at the old one. There's like a loose piece in there. I don't know what that is, like a little gear of some sort, but probably why this isn't working. All right, so we got the new one in. Got the hose back on, got the connector back in, so we're good to go. I'm just gonna put the fender liner back in, but I'm not gonna show all that. That's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm gonna clear the code and hopefully it doesn't come back.